Open banking is at the forefront of transforming financial services, leveraging technology to create more transparent, competitive, and consumer-friendly financial ecosystems. As we look to the future, it's essential to explore the emerging trends, technologies, and regulatory developments that will shape the next phase of open banking. Predictive analytics, technological innovations, evolving regulatory roles, and long-term market trends are key elements that will define the future landscape of open banking. Section 1. Predictive analytics. Transformative potential. Predictive analytics is rapidly transforming how industries anticipate future trends and make informed decisions. This technology harnesses data and machine learning methods. Its application spans various sectors, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and more, offering a critical edge in strategic planning and operational efficiency. Business applications. Predictive analytics is a game changer in business. Companies use this technology to forecast sales trends, optimize operations, and manage risks. For example, retailers analyze customer purchase data to predict future buying patterns, which helps in stock optimization and personalized marketing. Finance sector. In finance, predictive analytics plays a pivotal role in risk assessment. Financial institutions analyze past transaction data to predict credit risks, detect fraud, and make investment decisions. Moreover, predictive analytics enables them to offer more customized financial products that meet the specific needs of individual customers, enhancing customer service and retention. Healthcare is another sector where predictive analytics is making significant inroads. Hospitals and healthcare providers use predictive models to manage patient care more effectively. Healthcare professionals can predict potential health issues before they become critical, enabling preventive care that can save lives and reduce healthcare costs. Predictive analytics also benefits the marketing industry by enhancing customer engagement and optimizing marketing campaigns. Marketers analyze customer data and buying behaviors to predict which products or services customers will most likely purchase. This insight helps craft personalized marketing offers and messaging that have a higher chance of striking a chord with the intended audience. Challenges. Despite its vast potential, predictive analytics faces several challenges. Privacy and data security are important issues since the technology relies heavily on large volumes of often sensitive data. Ensuring the safe handling of this data by regulations such as the GDPR in Europe is essential to upholding both legal compliance and consumer trust. Another challenge is the quality and integration of data. Predictive models are only as good as the data fed into them. Businesses must invest in robust data management systems and procedures to guarantee the accuracy and integrity of their data. Moreover, there is the issue of skills and knowledge. As predictive analytics becomes more sophisticated, the need for skilled professionals to interpret and act on its insights grows. Future trends. Technological developments in AI and machine learning will likely influence the evolution of predictive analytics. These technologies will develop further as they enhance predictive analytics capabilities, making predictions more accurate, faster, and suitable for various situations. Predictive analytics is set to continue its transformative impact across various industries, driving better decision-making, enhancing efficiency, and improving outcomes. By effectively addressing the challenges of data privacy, quality, and skills, businesses can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool. Integrating more advanced AI and machine learning will further expand the possibilities as we progress, marking an exciting future for predictive analytics. Section 2. Upcoming technological innovations. Artificial intelligence, AI. One of the most talked about areas of technological advancement is artificial intelligence, AI, which continues to evolve rapidly. Artificial intelligence becomes more complex and competent in complex tasks traditionally thought to necessitate intellect from humans. This covers all aspects, from natural language processing and image recognition to decision-making and pattern identification. The future of AI promises even more groundbreaking applications, such as fully autonomous vehicles and more advanced robotic systems that could perform intricate surgeries or manage entire supply chains with minimal human intervention. Quantum computing. Another exciting area of development is in quantum computing. Qubits, also known as quantum bits, are used in quantum computing as the lowest unit of data, in contrast to regular computers, which use bits. This enables them to process enormous volumes of data quickly and at speeds unimaginable with current technology, including solving complex chemical equations that could revolutionize drug discovery and improve optimization for industries ranging from logistics to finance. Internet of Things, IoT. IoT stands for the ever-expanding network of physical items that have an IP address in order to communicate with other internet-enabled devices and systems and to access the internet. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is also rapidly advancing, particularly in genetic engineering and CRISPR technology. These technologies offer the potential to cure genetic diseases, improve agricultural yields, and create more sustainable and efficient food systems. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Another innovation set to make significant impacts is augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. While often associated with the gaming industry, these technologies have practical applications across various sectors, including education, healthcare, and manufacturing. For instance, AR can help surgeons perform complex procedures by overlaying critical information directly onto their field of view, or it can transform the way students learn by bringing educational materials to life. Renewable energy. Lastly, advances in renewable energy technologies promise a more sustainable future. Innovations in solar and wind technology, battery storage, and even newer areas like tidal power and hydrogen fuel are improving the efficiency and accessibility of renewable energy. Section 3. The evolving role of regulators. The role of regulators is evolving rapidly in response to technological advancements and global challenges. Traditionally tasked with enforcing laws to maintain competition, protect consumers, and ensure economic stability, regulators now also guide and facilitate innovation while safeguarding public interests. One key area of change is their approach to technology. With the rapid development of digital tools, IoT, blockchain, and AI, regulators must understand these technologies to address their implications effectively. They aim to protect consumers from risks without stifling innovation. For example, fintech advancements have prompted regulators to adapt traditional banking rules to accommodate mobile banking, peer-to-peer lending, and cryptocurrencies. Global challenges in regulation. The global nature of technology and business has further complicated regulatory oversight. Companies now operate seamlessly across borders, creating challenges in areas like data protection. For instance, personal data may be stored in one country, processed in another, and accessed worldwide. International frameworks like the EU's GDPR aim to address these complexities by protecting user data and ensuring transparency in how companies manage it. Promoting sustainability, regulators are also increasingly focused on sustainability. Growing environmental awareness has pushed regulatory agencies to enforce policies aimed at reducing ecological impacts. These include setting emission standards, managing waste, and promoting renewable energy. Beyond enforcement, regulators must balance economic growth with environmental preservation, requiring a nuanced understanding of both business and ecological needs. Healthcare innovations. The healthcare sector demonstrates another area of regulatory expansion. Technologies such as telemedicine, wearable health devices, and electronic health records have revolutionized care delivery. Regulators must ensure these innovations protect patient privacy, provide reliable medical information, and uphold care quality. During global health crises like COVID-19, they play a critical role in rapidly evaluating and approving new treatments and vaccines, showcasing the need for agility in regulatory processes. Facilitators of change. Regulators are increasingly viewed as facilitators of change rather than strict enforcers. Through consultations and partnerships with industry stakeholders, they craft regulations that align with modern economic and technological contexts. This collaborative approach ensures that innovation is introduced safely, ethically, and effectively, fostering an environment where progress can thrive while public interests remain protected.
The future landscape of open banking is set to be shaped by predictive analytics, technological innovations, evolving regulatory roles, and long-term market trends. As businesses, regulators, and consumers navigate this evolving landscape, the key will be to balance innovation with security, sustainability, and consumer protection. By embracing these changes and staying informed about emerging trends, stakeholders can ensure that open banking continues to evolve in a way that benefits all parties involved.